Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss practice problem of chapter force. See the first one, what force will produce an acceleration of 3.5 meter per second square in a body of mass 12.5 kg. Here acceleration is given, mass is given, so direct you can use the formula force equal to ma. M is 12.5, a is 3.5, multiply these two, you will get the answer. Now see the second one. In the second question, the force is given, acceleration is given, and you have to find the mass. So again you have to use the same formula, F equal to ma, m equal to F by a. So F is 525 divided by 3.5. So after solving this, you will get the answer. So this answers you have to find yourself. Now question number 3 no need to do. Now come to the practice problem number 2. A cyclist and a person on a moped are acted upon by the same force if the acceleration produced by the cyclist is only 2/5 that of the moped. Calculate the ratio of the masses of the cyclist and the moped. So here you have to divide in this way, cyclist and the moped, and the forces are given as a, you can take as a F1 and F2, F1 for cyclist, F2 for moped, and the acceleration for cyclist you can take as a A1 and mass M1, and for moped acceleration is A2 and mass is M2. Now in the question it is given that F1 is equal to F2 because same force is acted. See here it is given if the acceleration produced by the cyclist is this, and here say acted upon by the same force, it means F1 is equal to F2, but acceleration of the cyclist is equal to 2/5 of acceleration of the moped. See here acceleration of the cyclist is equal to 2/5 of the moped. So A1 is given as a 2/5 of A2. Now we know that F1 is equal to F2. So put the formula first. F1 formula is M1A1. F2 formula is M2A2. Put the A1. M1 into A1 is equal to 2/5 A2 equal to M2 into A2. Cancel the A2 from the both side and bring this M2 here. So M1 by M2 will be your 5/2. It means the ratio of the masses will be M1 is to M2 equal to 5:2. See the answer is 5:2. Now see the second one. In second, it is saying the two blocks of different metals but identical in shape and size are acted upon by the equal force. Again here the forces are equal, such that the acceleration of the second block is 3 times more than that of the first block. What is the ratio of mass of the second block to the first? Now here you have to find, here in the first one we have found M1 by M2, but in this question we have to find M2 by M1. So start like this, block 1, block 2, take the mass forces, acceleration and M1 for block 1 will be F1, A1, M1, and for block 2, force F1, acceleration A2 and the mass M2. Now according to the question, acceleration of the second block is equal to the 3 times of the acceleration of the first block. Again use the same, F1 equal to F2. Put the formula of F1, M1 into A1, M2 into A2. Put the A2 is equal to thrice A1. Cancel the A1 in the both side. Then M1 by M2, M1 is here. Bring this M2 here. It is equal to 3/1. But in the question it is asked about M2 by M1. Second block to the first block. So reciprocal it, you will get here 1/3. So M2 is to M1 equal to 1:3. Now page number 66, question number 3. A force of 100 Newton gives a body of mass M1 and acceleration of 5 meter per second square. The same force can give an acceleration of 40 meter per second square to another body of mass M2 if both the bodies are tied together and they acted upon by the same force as above. What is the acceleration produced in the combination. Now see here, we have two bodies, body 1 and body 2. They have the same force, and the value of the force is given how much? It is given as 100 Newton. So take F equal to 100 Newton. Here also force equal to 100 Newton. But mass are given. Mass of the first body is given as a m1. Mass of the second body is given as a m2. The value is not given. Value we have to find by the formula of force, that is force equal to ma. Now acceleration for the first block is given 5 meter per second square. Acceleration of the second block is given as a 40 meter per second square. Now when both the bodies tied together, then the total mass of this combination will be what? m1 plus m2. But see here, m1 value is not given, m2 value is also not given. So what we will do? We will find the m1 and m2 by the formula of F equal to ma. Same for body 1 and body 2. F equal to ma. So F is your 100. M into acceleration of the first body is how much? Yes, it is 5. So m into 5. Solve it. 100 by 5. So m1 equal to 20 kg. Similarly, you find the m2 for the second body. That one will be m2 equal to 2.5 kg. Now total mass will be m1 plus m2. 20 plus 2.5, that is 22.5 kg. Now you have to find the total acceleration. So use the force equal to total mass into acceleration. So bring the m here. So F by m equal to acceleration. Force is how much? 100. After finding the combination of mass, that is a total mass, the force is same because here it is given. If the body is tied together, acted upon by the same force. So what is the force? Force will be 100. So 100 by 22.5, which is equal to A. After solving this, the answer will come as a 4.44 meter per second square. Now the second part of this practice problem 3, this one again same as your question number 1. So this one you try yourself, exactly same, okay? That's why I am giving for you. So you do yourself, and if you have any problem, you can ask me anytime through message or call. Now what is your work? Today's work is you have to do practice problem number 1 or part 1 and 2. Practice problem number 2, part 1 and 2, and practice problem number 1 and problem number 3, part 1 and 2, and send in my number. Thank you.